So friend, Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is likely still a few months away at this point, given that its predecessor only launched last fall. Even so, we keep hearing new rumors about it. Most recently, we found out that it could be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 SoC if we are lucky. If we are not, then it will stick with the Exynos 2400E that was also featured in the S24 FE. Today, a new rumor tells us that the S25 FE will come with an upgraded selfie camera, and it will be a 12 megapixel unit compared to the S24 FE's 10 megapixel snapper. The new camera may in fact be the same one used by the rest of the Galaxy S25 family, and that should make for nicer looking selfies. On the rear, the S25 FE will have a 50 megapixel main shooter just like its predecessor. Unfortunately, details about the rest of the cameras haven't been out yet, and the Galaxy S25 FE is set to arrive in September or October, practically a year after the S24 FE, and it may launch alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Today's rumors claim, since we assumed the cheaper foldable would share the stage with the Flip 7 and Fold 7 in July, but maybe not. Perhaps Samsung wants to do an FE only event in the fall. We all have to wait and see. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.